Look, girl, I'm gonna ask you one more time to stop popping that gum. What she said? You wanna bet? And that's been wearing me out. Look, girl, if you don't stop popping that gum. Look, if you touch me, I'm gonna call 911. My daughter tried that. I hit her so hard she dialed 919. What? You don't know me? I'm a old woman. What she say? What she say? Oh hell no. Now you better put that seatbelt. You better put that seatbelt on right now. I don't know what the hell wrong with these children, but I set them straight. I'm from the old school. I will beat the hell out of you first and ask questions later. You don't know how to get in line. I will get you in line. The hell wrong with you?